Motorola has just introduced a new tablet, the Moto Pad 60 Neo. This has been launched in India and is touted as the thinnest and lightest tablet G in its segment, with 6.99mm thick and 480 grams of weight. Its screen is 11 inches LCD with resolution 2.5K and 90 Hz in its refresh rate. The sound is provided by 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos, and to the joy of many includes 3.5mm jack. Even though it has a very slim design, inside it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which might fall a bit short of our expectations. It is accompanied by 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which, by the way, can be expanded using micro SD cards. The battery capacity is 7040 mAh, and it supports a 20 watts charge. Interestingly, Motorola includes a 68 watts charger in the box, possibly so you can use it for your cell phone as well. It also comes with the Moto Pen included, allowing you to use it for note-taking as well. It operates on Android 15 and features IP52 splash resistance. The launch price in India is 17,999 rupees for a single version with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. At today's exchange rate, that would be about $200. But please share your thoughts about Motorola, including a stylus and a powerful charger in the box, which is quite a generous offering.